name's Zach Wright. I'm an Austin area pilot. The aircraft that we had you do is the Cessna 185 Skywagon 1979 model. I actually found you guys just on the internet. You know, as a pilot who's always kind of upgrading and looking to make things better and new, you know, we're always looking at different reviews and Facebook groups and forums and whatnot. And I have used a couple other interior shops in the Houston area for the 421 that I showed you. But just wanted to do something fresh. You know, I saw your videos, saw your pictures, and the stitching and the craftsmanship looked to be top notch, and that's exactly what I was looking for. Process from start to finish was good. You know, gave you a shout, kind of told Oscar and you what we were looking for, and basically just, you know, using the automotive styling and detail and craftsmanship and kind of translating that into the airplane world is what we're looking for. Airplane interiors suck, you know, so it's all about getting that high-end automotive feel in the plane so you can be comfortable. Once we finally made it up here, you know, picking selections and stuff, super easy. You got everything in the world to pick from, and I had to bring my old lady with me to help, but she helped make that as painless as possible. And we went back and forth on a couple things, but I would say the process from original inquiry to selecting materials is as easy as it gets. And then of course the process was fine. I mean, to the day, on schedule on the original quote, 4 to 5 week quote, and this is the end of the 5th week. And when it comes to planes and deliveries, that's all any aircraft owner's asking for. You know, under promise and over deliver. Nobody wants to wait 6 months on a 2-month quote. So for that, I appreciate it. time to see it?
Yep. There you go. Any door.
Any door. Nice. It smells fresh. Looks sharp, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Looks brand new, man.
Right.
Looks like better than I had in mind.
Oh, great. Hear that.
I appreciate it, man.
You're welcome.
The black and gray is definitely everything I thought it would be. And
Yeah.
the seats, I really wanted that seat design.
Oh,
And
yeah, there it
the
is.
perforated insert, yeah, that looks sharp.
Yeah.
Even your recommended change to the door turned out sharp.
Yeah.
This guy knows what he's talking about. Five-star all the way. You know, it's just so easy to do business with you. It starts on the original phone call, inquiry, email, Facebook message, whatever, you know. Easy to communicate with, right? Responsive, available via text after the plane's dropped off. But I got to tell you, not only is the service in the shop nice, you have a good facility. There's so many shops out there that have a junk shop, right? We got to walk over all these hazards and trip over some junk in order to go into the nice room to pick materials. Or it's not even a nice room, right? You've got the facility from the front door that opens to the ramp, nice back entry. You know, it's set up for a customer experience, which is what the owner pilot is looking for. We don't want to have to go through the dirty shop to see all the pretty things. We just want to see the pretty stuff. We're going to deal with the dirty at the inspection. So just as a whole, service is great, craftsmanship is good, which I just saw for the first time. It looks equal or better than I thought it would. And then, you know, having a good facility to be able to service the customer is, quite frankly, a big part of it as well. I wanted a black interior. You knew that. I wanted blacks and grays. I wanted perforated inserts. I got exactly that. You know, the quality looks good. I mirrored my personal vehicle, and that's kind of what it looks like, but it's better. It's more supple leather. It's more buttery. It's just a cleaner look. And then you threw in some nice accents, you know, on the V-brace, the seaplane V-brace and the 185. You got that leather wrapped. It looks great. A lot of people mistakenly stick their hands up there to use it to pull themselves forward. We get the oil and the paint falls apart. It's never been for that. So now it's just a nice looking thing, leather wrapped. Center console down low with the stitching, the accent, looks great. So much better than plastic. And you know, getting the eyeball vents in the back, that was an important thing to me. But the biggest thing was just getting the seat design. You know, I came in here with a seat design and said, this is what I want. You know, and it's one thing when you come into an interior shop and we see what you've previously done and you pick one of those things. Well, I brought my own in and said, this is what I want. And you did it exactly to a T, and it just looks great. And I appreciate you guys. It's good to have a good shop, and if you're a pilot out there thinking about doing an interior, give the guy a call, give him a chance. He's not the cheapest guy in town, okay? So don't be calling looking for the cheapest. But if you want quality, you want something nice, this guy's going to deliver. Clearly a family-run business, and they treat you right.